Hi, it's Z. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial of the Game of Thrones forest painting. This was my inspiration photo. You take a plain canvas. I mixed blue and white paint together for the background. I took white paint and just put some streaks across the canvas. Next I penciled in some trees, very light, kind of a cool color for the background. I put some darker trees in the foreground and put some shadows on the ground with a darker color. I added more limbs on the trees to make it look more dense and give some more activity to the painting. I added leaves on the trees in the background, a cool green. I added darker leaves on the trees in the foreground. I thickened up the leaves a little bit to add some interest. I painted some plants underneath the trees. On those plants, I put a few little blooming flowers. Then I finished it off with a blue wash, which gave it a kind of a mystical look.